Karibu sana mtazamaji wa Sezi TV na popote ulipo nimekukaribisha ili kujumuika katika taarifa ya leo. Yanayojili ni ya kwamba mwimbaji wa nyimbo za Kristo Betty Bayo afariki kwa kuugua kwa muda mrefu na kutokana na kansa huko Kenyatta Hospital. Hebu tizama mambo yalivyo pale.
Kenyatta National Hospital, privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to Betty Bayo. We want to tell the members of the public that today, at 1:03 p.m., we have lost Betty Bayo. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and brief recovery.